Hey guys, it's me Lily, and today I've got some slime. It's actually really stretchy. It's like a putty thing, and I really like it. Like this could do with like a really good crunchy slime, but I don't have any beads. This is like my favorite song, my favorite slime. So if you can hear noises, it's either the TV or my niece. Say hi. Hi. So yeah. Oh, me. So yeah. Bye. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Bye.